Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to make a quick card because I want to show you a layout idea that I saw that I thought is excellent. And it will show off our designer series paper. The stamp set that I'm going to use for the card is Sharing Sunshine. And we're going to make it a sun out of this circle and this rays and the little face, and then some of the words, happy birthday, you bring warmth into my life. So that's the stamp set we'll be using. For my card base, I'm going to use thick basic white cardstock, regular size. The designer series paper that I'm going to use is the Sunshine and Rainbows, which is available until the end of February in our celebration catalog. Now, here's what we do with our designer series paper. I'm starting with a 4x4 square, and then I'm going to measure 3/4 of an inch down on the right side and make a little mark, and 1 inch and 1 1/4 inches down on this side and make a mark. So now my line is going to go from here to here. I'm going to get my paper cutter and make the cut from that mark to this mark. So now I have these two pieces, and I will be gluing them down onto my card front like this. But I'm going to leave them there, and before I actually glue them, I'm going to stamp my happy birthday greeting inside. And I'm going to use Magenta Madness ink for the happy birthday because it'll bring out the bright color in my designer series paper. Got to bring out my stamping mat because this set is a photopolymer stamp set. And because it's photopolymer, it's easy for me to see where my word is going to go. So it makes it easy to line up. So there's my happy birthday. Okay. Then I want to use the sun, so I'm going to stamp the pieces that I need for that. And I used Daffodil Delight for the sun and the rays, and then I used the stamp again and Mango Medley ink to stamp this 2 times. So I have 2 colors of yellow on the rays part, and then I stamped the other sentiment, you bring warmth into my life. Now, because these are circles, I'm going to take this to my die cutting machine and die cut those 2 pieces and hand cut the little greeting. So now I have everything I need to put my card together. So let's bring our card base back. And my Tombow glue, and I'll glue these pieces on. Remember not to get it too close to the edge because when you push it down, it'll squirt out. Oops. Okay. Good. Now let's put our little sunshine together. I'm going to put a dimensional on the back of a smaller circle. And I'm going to put it down here, and I'm going to put it on dimensionals again, have it double popped. Remove the backing. See how quickly this card goes together? Oops, then put the rest of my greeting on. And I put it up on dimensionals also. And there we're done. Record time. So, I also wanted to show you a few variations on this same layout. There's the same measurements. I just used a different stamp set for the greeting, and I used different dies and made this flower to put next to it. And I used the tulip, Forever Tulips, or it's in the new mini catalog. Then I wanted to get a different stamp set bundle, and I got the artistically inked bundle, and it has this wonderful bold thanks. So I got that to use, and this is paper from that. It had gold swirls in it, so I die cut the leaves in gold to put along the side, so that looks nice too. And then I wanted to try one more, and this one I heat embossed with white, this sentiment, and I used paper from Celebration again, the Hello Friend or Friendly Hello offering in there. If you purchase $100 worth of merchandise, you get a stamp set and package of paper free. And I cut out some of the stamps from that set to use as my accent pieces. So there's, see if I can get them all out here for you to see. 4 different looks with that layout. So I hope you enjoyed it. It is a nice, quick, easy card to make if you need that. Thank you. See you later. Bye-bye.